This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate sauce for brownies, only way. Begin by measuring equal parts heavy cream and chopped dark chocolate for balanced flavor and texture. Heat the cream slowly over low heat until it just steams, then pour it over chocolate and let sit for 1 minute. Stir gently until the mixture becomes shiny and smooth, then add a pinch of salt and a splash of vanilla for depth. In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate sauce for brownies, only way. Boost flavor with a pinch of fine sea salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for warmth. For a silkier mouthfeel, whisk in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter off the heat until the sauce shines. If the sauce thickens too much, thin it with a teaspoon of hot cream or milk until it reaches your desired drizzle consistency. In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate sauce for brownies, only way. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more simple desserts. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you drive home with warm brownies, because nothing ruins a treat like a stale odor. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate sauce for brownies, only way. Serve the sauce warm by pouring it over brownies just before serving so edges stay crisp and centers stay gooey. Use a zigzag drizzle and finish with flaky salt or chopped nuts to add texture and flavor contrast. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week and reheat gently over low heat or in short microwave bursts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.